The 2023 Toyota Stout is a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible in a vehicle. It's a true blend of power and sophistication, designed to take your driving experience to a whole new level. So what sets the 2023 Toyota Stout apart from the crowd? Let's dive right in. In a world where innovation and style collide, Toyota presents the highly anticipated 2023 Stout. So get ready to experience a new level of power, performance, and sophistication. Toyota's new pickup is a true powerhouse, designed to exhilarate and inspire drivers worldwide. With its potent engine options, advanced transmission system, versatile drive configurations, and exceptional suspension, the Stout represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. There have been rumors and teases about a new Toyota Stout pickup truck that could be coming out soon. People expect the new Stout to be a small pickup truck that can compete with the popular Ford Maverick. Even though the Hyundai Santa Cruz is a good choice for a small truck because it drives well and it can pull a decent amount of weight, something is wrong. It could really change things for the worse. It's nowhere near as good as the Ford Maverick. There are many reports about a small Ram truck, but the Rampage won't be coming to the United States. First off, let's talk about the new Stout's power. The 2023 Toyota Stout packs a punch under the hood with its high-performance engine that delivers thrilling acceleration and an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. At the heart of the 2023 Stout lies a choice of two impressive engine options, each delivering an exhilarating driving experience. The base engine, a 3.5-liter V6, produces a respectable 296 horsepower, ensuring swift acceleration and dynamic maneuverability. For those seeking even greater power, an optional 5.7-liter V8 engine cranks out an awe-inspiring 381 horsepower with 479 pound-feet of torque, propelling you to new heights of excitement. Whether you're exploring off-road trails or cruising through the city streets, the Stout's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and controlled ride, no matter the conditions. It effortlessly handles any terrain you throw at it. The 2023 Toyota Stout boasts an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that guarantees seamless gear shifts and optimal performance. This refined transmission system ensures a smooth and efficient driving experience, allowing you to effortlessly conquer any road or terrain that lies ahead. To cater to diverse driving preferences, the 2023 Toyota Stout offers both 4x2 and 4x4 configurations. The 4x2 option provides a well-balanced and efficient drive, perfect for urban environments and daily commuting. On the other hand, the 4x4 configuration empowers you to explore off-road trails with confidence, conquering challenging terrains with its exceptional traction and control. Equipped with a state-of-the-art suspension system, the 2023 Toyota Stout redefines comfort and stability on the road. Whether you're cruising along highways or venturing off the beaten path, the Stout's suspension seamlessly absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. This remarkable suspension technology elevates the driving experience to new heights, combining performance with unparalleled comfort. The compact trucks of today are based on crossover platforms. We believe that the upcoming rumored pickup will sit on the TNGA unibody platform, which is the same platform found underneath the RAV4 and the Camry. Of course, in this instance, it'll look more similar to the RAV4 as it needs to offer some off-road capabilities. This is the route Toyota will most probably take, as the company offers some great models to base the Stout on. It's worth noting that Ford released a Tremor trim level for the Maverick that offers a rear differential locker and 1 extra inch of ground clearance. This is supposed to be a more off-road worthy model for the buyer who loves to head out into the wilderness. So far, it's working great for the company. Therefore, Toyota might need to offer a similar version. Toyota's great at making boxy and cool-looking off-road vehicles, and we expect the same when it comes to the Stout. The exterior design will probably bear a resemblance to the rest of the company's trucks, but on a smaller scale. The angular and aggressive headlights of the new Tundra might make their way to the smaller pickup, but with an altered look. The hood and the side should bear some angular and relatively flat lines, and the rear end might even have Stout stamped into the tailgate, as is the case with all current Toyota trucks. Feast your eyes on its muscular body, sleek lines, and captivating grille that demands attention. The Stout's striking design is a testament to Toyota's commitment to both style and functionality. Worth mentioning is the fact that since these vehicles are based on a unibody construction, there's no gap between the bed and the cabin. Both structures are interconnected and play a role in the general rigidity of the vehicle. The same is true for the floors and sills. Therefore, this leads to slightly different design language when compared to traditional trucks. However, this structure provides the possibility for some clever additions, like the ones we've seen by Rivian. The pickup truck is being revolutionized, and such additions can differentiate Toyota Stout from the already popular Santa Cruz and the Maverick. Perhaps we could also get a small-scale gear tunnel, some power ports that derive power from the hybrid system, or even a midgate, like the one we've seen by Ram. Step inside the 2023 Toyota Stout and you'll find a haven of luxury and innovation. The cabin is meticulously crafted with premium materials, providing a comfortable and refined driving environment. But it doesn't stop there. The Stout is loaded with advanced technology, including an intuitive infotainment system, smartphone integration, and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features to keep you safe on the road. Don't just take our word for it. We've heard from ecstatic Toyota Stout owners who rave about its exceptional performance, comfort, and cutting-edge features. It's a vehicle that truly enhances their lives. There are rumors that the 2023 Toyota Stout could be a cheap choice, with prices starting around $23,000. The base price of a 2023 Ford Maverick is $22,595, so this would put it in the same league. The base price for the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz is $25,700. These prices are the suggested retail prices, or the MSRPs, which don't include shipping fees or dealer markups. Also, prices could go up by 2025. At first, the Maverick cost $19,995, but it could still save money for people who don't need a bigger truck's capabilities. Also, a Toyota Stout 2023 is likely to come out. The EPA says that the Maverick Hybrid gets 40 miles per gallon in the city and around 33 miles per gallon on the highway, which is part of its attraction. The Stout could be even more fuel efficient if it had the PHEV engine from the Toyota Prime. All of this may sound like wild guesses, but Toyota Stout 2023 has been keeping an eye on the Maverick and the growth of the small segment to see if the Stout would be a hit. They also gave hints that more information might be shared at the 3 Media meeting in June 2023. So prepare to be captivated by its raw power, precision, and remarkable performance. The 2023 Toyota Stout is more than a vehicle. It's an invitation to embark on unforgettable adventures and embrace the joy of driving. So gear up and get ready to unleash the beast within. The Stout is here to redefine what it means to drive with passion and excitement.